Imagine a camera that doesn't just capture the moment, but predicts it, a camera that pushes the boundaries of speed, precision, and image quality. Today, on Tech Vibe, we're diving deep into the rumors, leaks, and whispers surrounding the upcoming Nikon Z9 II, a camera that could redefine what professional photographers expect from a flagship mirrorless system. Whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or cinematic 8K footage, this could be the gear that changes everything. Nikon Z9 has already set a high bar, and now, whispers from industry insiders suggest the Z9 II could leap even further ahead. At the heart of the rumors is a sensor upgrade that's turning heads. Sources suggest a 45.7 MP sensor, or even a staggering 61 MP option, with a potential hybrid global shutter. If true, this means rolling shutter distortions could become a thing of the past, allowing photographers to freeze action in mid-motion without compromise. Imagine capturing a cheetah sprinting across the savannah or a Formula One car tearing down the track with perfect clarity. This is the level of precision we're talking about. But the sensor is just the beginning. Rumors point to Nikon pairing it with the next-gen EXPEED processor, promising lightning-fast data handling, AI-powered enhancements, and more efficient power usage. For professionals, this isn't just about speed, it's about reliability in the field. Faster burst rates, smoother live view, and smarter autofocus could make shooting intense action sequences seamless, without missing a single frame. Speaking of autofocus, Nikon may be taking it to another level entirely. Industry insiders hint at advanced AI-driven subject tracking, surpassing even the Z9's already impressive system. There's talk of a dedicated AI chip built specifically for autofocus, allowing the camera to recognize and follow subjects faster and more accurately than ever. This could be a game-changer for wildlife photographers trying to lock on a bird in flight, or sports shooters capturing split-second moments. The idea of pre-capture RAW combined with up to 40 frames per second burst shooting is enough to make any action photographer's heart race. And for JPEG shooters, 240 frames per second in full resolution could redefine what we consider ultra-fast photography. Video capabilities are rumored to receive a serious upgrade too. The Z9 II may deliver enhanced 8K video recording with N-Log2 support, offering filmmakers deeper control over color grading and workflow. For professional videographers, this is massive: smoother integration with multi-camera setups, faster rendering, and more options in post-production. Combined with AI-assisted features, it could make video shooting and editing faster, more precise, and, frankly, more exciting than ever before. Nikon isn't just focusing on hardware. Reports suggest improvements in firmware and workflow integration, with smarter accessory compatibility and AI-driven enhancements designed to streamline professional setups. Imagine a camera that works seamlessly with your lenses, lighting, gimbals, and drones, while providing firmware that actually makes sense for your workflow, instead of constantly asking for updates mid-project. Now, let's talk about what this means for you as a photographer or filmmaker. The rumored Z9 II isn't just about specs, it's about possibilities. Imagine a camera capable of pre-capturing raw shots so you never miss a critical moment. Picture autofocus so intelligent that even the most unpredictable wildlife movements are tracked flawlessly. Consider video output that allows you to deliver cinematic 8K content without a complex post-production nightmare. This is more than just an incremental upgrade, it's a potential revolution for professionals and enthusiasts alike. And for those thinking, is this just hype? Keep in mind Nikon has a history of delivering cameras that exceed expectations. The Z9 redefined mirrorless performance, and with competition from Canon and Sony heating up, Nikon has every reason to innovate aggressively. While official specs are yet to be confirmed, leaks from reliable sources suggest this could be Nikon's most ambitious flagship yet. So, what should photographers, videographers, and content creators do while waiting? First, consider what matters most to your workflow: speed, image quality, or AI-powered features. Then, think about how the rumored upgrades, like hybrid global shutter, EXPEED processor, and AI-driven autofocus, could change how you work. If these rumors hold true, the Z9 II may not just be a tool, it could redefine your entire creative process. As always, we'll be keeping our ears to the ground for the official announcement, leaks, and hands-on previews. Until then, the anticipation is real, and the possibilities are endless. If you're serious about professional photography, this is one camera you'll want to watch closely. Before we wrap up, here's a quick thought. The Z9 II could very well become the benchmark for mirrorless cameras over the next few years. Whether you're shooting wildlife, high-speed sports, or cinematic projects, the rumored combination of speed, precision, and AI integration might just set a new gold standard. Thanks for watching this deep dive here on Tech Vibe. If you loved exploring the Z9 II rumors with us, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss updates on the hottest gear in photography and videography. We've got more leaks, reviews, and tech insights coming, and trust me, you don't want to miss a single one. Until next time, keep your lenses clean, your shutters fast, and your creativity unstoppable. This is Tech Vibe, where the future of photography comes alive.